Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3. You have to start by open VIVO Earphones app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Now scroll down, and firstly you can check software version right here, or you can check also for software update by just tap at this line, and right here we have information, and here is also software version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!